So what do you do if you're lactose intolerant? Or maybe you just want to cut down on dairy because you want to reduce inflammation. Well, we're gonna make a delicious sweet cinnamon milk using almond milk and rice milk. Let's get started. So we've got 2 cups of almond milk, 2 cups of rice milk. We're gonna go ahead and put this in here. And now we're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of vanilla, and a 1/4 cup of a really great sugar alternative, agave. Let's take it to the stove. So we went ahead and boiled the milk to really open up the flavors, and we let it cool. So now I'm gonna pour it over ice and add 2 shots of Lifeboost espresso. You guys, this is so good. I'm gonna drink the whole thing, okay, so make your own. So good.